Hi you guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you guys how I make my iced coffee, my iced Starbucks caramel macchiato. So if you're interested and you want to see how you can save your coins, keep on watching. I think I'm ready for real this time. Let's go. That you want to have is your caramel macchiato from Starbucks. This will be in the cold section at I've never seen it in Walmart actually. It's at Publix, so you can get it from Publix or Target. And then you would want to get your caramel macchiato International Delight creamer. You're also gonna need a cup. I got the Starbucks cup from Amazon. A cup. A smaller cup to mix it in, or another cup, doesn't matter. Some nutmeg, Expresso Shots, also from Amazon. I actually don't know. I'm sure they have them in the store, but I got the brand Stoke. I'll leave that in the description box down below. Your caramel for your caramel drizzle, and your whipped cream. So, this little guy here is optional. It's for when you want to, if you don't want your, what is this? Creamer. If you don't want your creamer to be runny, to make it more of a foam, that's what this little guy is for, and that is also from Amazon. So let's get started. Get your ice, rinse it, then you're gonna get your caramel, then you're gonna drizzle your caramel. It doesn't have to be a lot. It can. That was a little bit of a lot. So you drizzle your caramel, then you take your shots. I normally do 2 shots. You want 2 shots because you're gonna drink this. It's gonna be for later. You just want one? Okay. So normally I would put 2, but since I'm like I'm doing my military diet again, I'm not gonna drink this. This is gonna be for my husband. So yeah. So you're gonna open your shot, pour your shot. Then you're going to pour your coffee. Now each time I use it, I always shake it. I think, does it say shake well? I'm just used to shaking things. So I always shake it really good and then pour it in there. It also has like a little aluminum foil or something, whatever you call that thing, before you, a closed cap on it. I just poke a little hole in it so I can control how much really comes out. So you go like that. And then your creamer. I'm making this. So you can either pour your creamer in there however you want to pour it in, or you can make it like, you can make it as foam. So you put a little bit, and then that's where this guy comes in handy. And you just put it in here. Alright, so you can do it to however thick you want it to go. I don't feel like holding it anymore. So you just pour it on top, which is still, it's like foam because it's not sinking straight through. If you guys can see, it's still on top. So now that's when you're gonna go in with your whipped cream. Shake that up really good. Get that whipped cream in there like that. And then I'm gonna put your nutmeg on there. And then also drizzle some more caramel. Now I didn't make a lot. in this cup because, like I said, he's not gonna drink it right now, and I can't enjoy it. It looks so good. But that's it. That's the simplest way to make your iced Starbucks caramel macchiato coffee at home, and you save more coins. You can also do the same thing with pumpkin spice. I do my pumpkin spice a little bit different because I do add like vanilla syrup, and yeah, that's the only thing I add. The same thing, but vanilla syrup, and instead of nutmeg, I do the pumpkin spice. But everyone's not too fond of pumpkin. But since it's fall, I love pumpkin, so yeah.
That's a little bit cold.
So what you think I should I didn't want to waste it.
Yeah, that's 3 sips. That coffee gone.
But it's just a video. It's just a presentation for the video. Maybe I should do another, like, it's the presentation for the video.
Okay.
But it's not the amount. It's just to show you how to make it.
I was drinking it, so I'm just saying that's 3 sips.
Well, you act like you ain't really want it.
Yeah, I'm going to be drinking whipped cream.
Oh, screw you. It's going to be good. It's good. Coffee. That's how you make it. I should have did it in my clear cup.